Right. So good evening to all. So today's session is Quant revision session for PGCET students. Okay. So let's start the revision session. "30 seconds time. Answer. There are 50 questions. Root 8 plus root 5. Root 7 plus root 6. Root 10 plus root 2. Which is greater? Tell me which is greater here. So if you see here, root 8 plus root 5, root 7 plus root 6, root 10 plus root 3, root 11 plus root 2. Yes or no? So please observe here, when you have these kind of surds, okay, surds, these are surds or not? Yes or no? So when you add these two, 8 plus 5, how much? 13. 7 plus 6, how much? 13. 10 plus 3, how much? 13. 11 plus 2, how much? When the sum is same, remember, whose product is more, that is biggest. 8 5s are how much? 40. 7 6s are how much? 42. 10 3s are how much? 30. 11 2s are how much? 22. So which is smallest means whose product is small, that is smallest. 11 into 2 is 22. So root 11 plus root 2 is smallest. So answer is what? Option D. Option D. I have given the shortcut technique. Next. Find the highest power of 5 in 100 factorial. To find the highest power of 5 in 100 factorial, divide 100 by 5. Take the integral quotient. And again divide the integral quotient, whatever you got, divide it by 5. You will get 4. Again divide this integral quotient by 5. You will get the integral quotient 0. Yes or no? Repeat the procedure of dividing like that till you get the integral quotient 0, and your answer would be sum of all the integral quotients. 20 plus 4. What is the answer? 24. So answer is none of these. Answer is none of these. So to find the highest power of x in n factorial, divide n by x when x is a prime. X is a prime. Finding the highest power of 5 in 100 factorial is nothing but, the question is also can be asked like this: number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial. Number of zeros at the end of 100 factorial or highest power of 5 in 100 factorial. Both are same. Next. Please do this. 30 seconds time. A contract is to be completed in 46 days and 117 men were set to the work, each working 8 hours a day. After 33 days, 4 by 7th of the work is completed. How many additional men may be employed so that the work may be completed in time? Each man now working 9 hours a day. So see here, a contract is to be completed in 46 days and 117 men were set to the work, each working 8 hours a day. So everybody is working for 8 hours a day. 117 men can complete the work in 46 days. Yes or no? So after 33 days, 4 by 7th of work is completed. So what does it mean? If total work is 7 parts, 4 parts is completed. Remaining work is how many parts? 3 parts. Total work is 7 parts. 4 parts is completed. 3 parts is pending. Now for 33 days, see, you have a formula in chain rule. M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Okay. Initially, what is given? 117 men working for 33 days. 33 days, hourly, daily, 8 hours. Are able to complete how many parts? 4 parts. Now, the remaining work, how many parts? 3 parts. W1 is 4 parts, W2 is 3 parts. Now, how many additional men? To these 117 men, some additional X men are added. Thereby, the work is completed on time. On time means how many days? 46 days. Already 33 days are over. Remaining how many days? 13 days. Now, they are working for how many days? How many hours a day? 9 hours a day. 13 into 9, 117, 117 cancel. Yes or no? Now 4 2 ja 8. Now 33 into 3, 99. 99 into 2, 198. 117 plus x. 117 plus x is 198. Thereby x would be how much? 81. 81. Yes or no? This is the application. M1 D1 H1 by W1 is equal to M2 D2 H2 by W2. Okay. A water tank has 3 pipes, A, B, and C. A fills how many buckets? 4 buckets in 24 minutes. Yes or no? So, what is the capacity of each bucket? 5 liters. Each bucket 5 liters. So, 4 into 5, 20 liters. 4 into 5, 20 liters is filled in how much time? 24 minutes. 24. A in 24 minutes can fill 20 liters. So in 1 hour, 60 minutes, how many liters? So 4 6 are 4 5s. 10 6 are 10 5s.
Divided by
so
4
in 1
into
hour
10.
it can fill how
50.
much? In 1
50.
hour, A can fill 50 liters. In 1 hour, A can fill. What about B? B fills 8 buckets. 8 buckets means 40 liters in 1 hour. And C fills 2 buckets, 10 liters in 20 minutes. So thereby in 60 minutes,
30 liter.
it can
30
fill
liter.
30 liters. Yes or no? So in
Yes.
1 hour, A can fill 50, B can fill 40, C can fill 30. 50 plus 40 plus 30, how much? 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 30,
120.
120. So all ABC can fill how much? 120 per hour. 120 per hour. But it is given that if all the taps are open together, a full tank is emptied
2
in 2
hours.
hours. In
240.
in 1 hour, they can fill or
120.
they can empty how much? 120. So in 2 hours,
240.
they are emptying full tank. They are emptying full tank. So 2 hours means 2 into 120. How much? 240. 240. So answer is 240 liters. Answer is 240 liters. Yes or no? Fifth question. A can do 50% more work as B can do in the same time. A alone can do a piece of work in 20 hours. A with the help of B can finish the same work in how
8
many
hours.
hours? A can do 50% more efficient, more work as B. So what does it mean? The efficiencies of A and B. A is doing 50% more work means efficiency of A is more than B. If B efficiency is 100, A efficiency is 150, thereby the ratio of efficiencies is 3:2. Yes or no? The ratio of efficiencies is 3:2. So times taken will be in the ratio 2:3 because efficiency and time taken are inversely proportional. Inversely proportional. And it is what is given? B alone can do the work in how much time? 20 hours. Yes or no? A can do 50% more work as B can do in the same time. Okay. So here B alone can do a piece of work in 20 hours. Otherwise, see here. Now, what is the efficiency of A? 3 units. What is the efficiency of B? 2 units. And B alone can do the work in how much time? 20 hours. B's capacity is how much? 2 per hour. 2 per hour. So the total work is how much? B can complete in 20 hours. 20 into 2. How much? 40 units. Yes or no? 40 units is the total work. Now, A with the help of B. A with the help of B, how much can he do? 3 plus 2? 5. A plus B together can do how much? 5. They together have to complete the work. 40 units. Working 5 per hour. In how many hours? 8 hours. Yes or no? A alone 3 units, B alone 2 units. B alone 2 units in 20 hours is completing work. So that work would be 20 into 2, 40 units. That work by A and B together, 5 units, together 5 units, 40 units, 8 hours. So the total time taken is 8 hours for A and B together. Okay? Is it okay? Next, please answer sixth question. Sixth question. Base of a pyramid is a square. The length of the base, the length of the diagonal of the base is 24 root 2. So what is the volume? Volume of pyramid. Volume of pyramid. What is the formula? One third of height into area of base. Area of base. One third of area of base into height is the volume of pyramid. Volume of pyramid. And here, what is given here? Length of the diagonal of the base. The base is of what shape? Square shape. Yes or no? For a square, the area diagonal is given. When diagonal is given, area would be d square by 2. Area would be diagonal square by 2. The diagonal square by 2 is given as 24 root 2. Sorry. Length of the diagonal is 24 root 2. So diagonal is 24 root 2 into 24 root 2 divided by 2. Diagonal square by 2 is the area. So root 2 into root 2 is 2. 2 ones are 2. 24 24s are 576 is the area. And volume is given as 1728. So you need to find out its height. Volume is 1728. One third of height into area is 576. 576 how many times? 3 times. So height would be how much? 3 into 3, 9. So answer is 9. Answer is 9. Is it okay? You should know this formula. Volume of pyramid. Next one. So find the missing term. Yesterday we already did. Please do answer. Total how many letters? Please 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So total you have 15 now. Total 15 means you can divide into 3, 3 or 5, 5. So AB is there. Definitely AB is coming. After AB again AB is coming. After AB again AB is coming. Before that, what you should have? So please see here. Observe here. After AB, what you're getting AB? After AB, you're getting AB. So after AB, you must get AB. Okay. Then after AB, you have to get AB. Okay. So A, AB, AB, A, AB, AB, A, AB, AB. So A, AB, AB, A, AB, AB, A, AB, AB. So your answer has to be A, B, A. A, B, A, option A. Option A. Yes or no? Now please do answer next one. Easy one. 5 seconds. 11 square, 13 square, 17 square. Yes or no? And after that 18 square, 23 square, 24 square. What next will come?
25 square.
Yes or no? 11, 12 na? 11, 12. 11 square, 12 square, 17 square, 18 square, 23 square, 24 square. So after that what will come? Tell me. Huh? Why?
Lord.
अच्छा से देखो 11 का 11 के बाद क्या है 12 +1 +5 +1 +5 +1. Now you should get +5. 24 + 5 how much? 29 square. 29 square is how much? 841. 29 square is 841 is the answer. Now please answer next one. Question number 8. Jaldi answer karna. 9. Whoever is in the online, I'm expecting the answer from you. Mamata Kadri. Answer. What is the answer? Question number 9. Teja. Answer. Question number 9. A trader marked his goods 20% above the cost price. He sold half of the stock at the market price, 1/4 of the stock at discount of 20% on the market price, and the rest at a discount of 40% on the market price. So find his total gain percentage. A trader marked his goods 20% above the cost price. Above the cost price. Please see here. I am taking the cost price as 5. Cost price as 5. So market price would be how much? 20% means 1/5 more. For 5, 1 more. It becomes 6. Yes or no? Now cost price is 5. Market price is 6. Now he sold half of the stock at market price. He sold half of the stock at market price. Let us say the total stock is 100. Total stock is how much? 100. 50 he is selling at market price only. Okay. Next, 1/4 at a discount of 20%. 20% discount. 20% means 1/4 or not? When 20% discount is given, 1/4 discount is given on MRP, it would be minus 1.5. On 6 1/4 reduction. So it would be 4.5 or not? So now 1/4, 1/4. 1/4 means how many out of 100? 25 are sold for 4.5 rupees each. Yes or no? And the rest at a discount of 40%. Rest are how many? 25. When 20% discount is 3 rupees, 1.5 rupees, 40% discount would be how much? Am I correct? Sorry, I think I'm wrong. 20% on 6 is how much? 20% on 6 is how much? 1.2 na? It is not 1.5. It It is 1.2. So it is 4.8. It is 4.8. When 40% discount is given, 6 minus 2.4, which is 3.6. So 25 into 3.6. I hope you have understood. Please see here, if each article cost price is 100, cost price is 5 rupees, total stock is 100 rupees, total cost price of the stock would be 5 into 100, 500. And how he is selling half of the stock out of 100, half means 50. At a profit of half is selling at the market price, 50 into 6. And 1 quarter means out of 100 stock, 1 quarter means 25. He's selling at 20% discount on MRP. On 6, 20% is 1.2. So 6 minus 1.2 is 4.8. At 4.8, he's selling how many? 25. And the remaining 25 at 40% reduction on MRP. So at 3.6. So if you see here, 50 into 6 is 300. 25 into 4.8 is how much? 120. Am I correct? 25 into 3.6. 25 into 3.6, how much? 90. So how much you're going to get? 510. 510. So 500 is the cost price. 510 is the selling price. On 500, there is 10 profit. 10 profit. He's asking for profit percentage. So for 500, if there is a 10 profit, for 100, how much profit? 2 profit. Yes or no? Profit is 10 rupees. Profit percentage means profit by cost price into 100. Profit percentage means profit by cost price into 100. So you will get how much? 2%. Give the priority for mind calculations. Is it okay? Understood or not? Good. Some people have answered. Good. %2 is the answer. Now please answer question number 10. Time given to you is 30 seconds. A trader wants 10% profit on selling price. On selling price of a product, whereas his expenses amount to 15% on sales. What should be his rate of markup on article costing 9 rupees? Please understand clearly and answer. Thereby finally he gets how much profit? 10% on selling price. Yes or no? This is what he has given or not? Yes or no? So please now see. So now a trader wants 10% profit on selling price. So if selling price is some X, then what is the profit? 10% of X is the profit. Yes or no? And 15% of X would be his expenses. Yes or no? So his cost price is given as 9 rupees. Please understand here. His cost price, his buying price, plus his expenses, plus profit is selling price. Cost price, वो खरीद रहा, उसको कुछ expenses हो रहा है, और उसके बाद वो profit लेके वो बेच रहा है. Yes or no? So here cost price is 9. Cost price is 9. And the expenses are 15% of X. And the profit is 10% of X. So finally it is equal to selling price. Cost price plus profit is equal to selling price. Expenses are also part of cost price. Expenses are also part of cost price. So 9 plus 15% of X is the overall cost price. And 10% of X is the profit and it is selling price. So what you are going to get? 9 is equal to. So X means 100% of X. 15 plus 10. 100% of X minus 25% of X is 75% of X. Means 3/4 of X. So from this you will get X as 12. X as 12. So the selling price must be how much? 12 rupees. Selling price must be 12 rupees. Whereas the cost price is 9 rupees. Cost price is 9 rupees. So now what is given now? What should be his rate of markup? So he has to sell at what price? 12 rupees. This is the MRP or not? This should be the market price. So by what percentage it should be hiked? So on cost price, there should be 1/3 hike. 9 becomes 12. Means there should be 3 hike. 3 is what part? 1/3. 1/3 means how much percentage? 33 1/3 percentage. So the markup price should be 33% than cost price. Okay. So the answer is 33 1/3 means 100/3. Is it clear? Please answer question number 11. Please answer question number 11. Jaldi. A manufacturer sells goods to an agent at a profit of 20%. The agent's wholesaler price to a shopkeeper is a profit of 10% and the shopkeeper retails his goods at a profit of 12%. Find the retailer's price of an article which had cost the manufacturer 25 rupees. So what is the answer? Please answer. Find the retailer's price of an article which had cost the manufacturer 25 rupees. It's an easy question. Please see here. For manufacturer, how much is the cost? 25. And manufacturer sells goods to the agent at a profit of 20%. So for 120% of it, he is selling. Yes or no? The agent's wholesale price to a shopkeeper is at a profit of 10%. So on this, there is a 10% profit. And again, the shopkeeper retails his goods at a profit of 12%. Means again 112% of it. It is the final retails price. Yes or no? So if you find this answer, it is 26 or 25. It is 11/10. It is now what you are going to get? 25 fours, 25 fours, and 428. Yes. Now what you are going to get? 2 5s, 2 14s. Nothing more than this you can get. Now how much? 11 14s, 154. 154 6, 324. 324 divided by 25. Am I correct? Am I correct or not? 154. It is 11/10. It is 420. Ones of fours are correct. So what is the answer I'm going to get? Tell me the answer. Have I missed anything or am I correct? What is the answer? Is it correct or not? Is there any error in my calculation? Once again, see. Once again, see the calculation. So you should get that value. So on 25, first there is 20%. So 120% it becomes. Again 10% profit. So 110/100. Again 12% profit. So 112 by 100. Yes or no? Now you can say 25 fours are 100 and 428s are 112. Now it is 26 are 25 are 0, 0 cancel. Now how much you are going to get? 2 5s are and 2 14s are. Yes. Now 14 11s are how much? 154. 154 6s are how much? It is 924. It is not 324. 154 6s are how much? 924. 924 divided by 25. So 25 36 are 900. So 36 point something. 36 point something you are going to get. So the answer is approximately 37. Now, please answer 12th one. 12th one. A cistern contains 50 liters of water. 5 liters of water is taken out and replaced by wine. The process is repeated again. So find the proportion of wine and water in the mixture. So initially you have 50 liters of water. Okay. 5 liters of water is taken out and replaced by wine. So at the end of first operation, out of 50, 1 minus 5 by 50 is taken out. So this much water is left at the end of first operation. Yes or no? This process is repeated twice. So into whole square. So how much water is left? So 50 into 1 minus 1 by 10 is 9 square. 9 by 10 into 9 by 10. So how much you are going to get? 50, 2 is 100. So 81 by 2, 40.5. So how much water you are going to have? 40.5. After 2 steps, okay, 40.5 water is there. So now the question is find the proportion of wine and water. If water is 4.5, 40.5, wine would be how much? 9.5 because total is 50. So 9.5 is wine, 40.5 is water. So how much you are going to get here? 9.5 is to 40.5. What is the ratio? 95 is to 405. So 5 19s are 5 81s are. 19 is to 81. 19 is to 81. Is it okay? Wine to water, na? So what I have calculated? The same thing only. No, wine to water. This is wine, this is water. A cistern contains 50 liters of water. Initially, you have water 50. When 5 liters of water is taken out. So, see, in other ways, practically saying, explaining, it is like this. 50 में 5 गया. So, कितना percentage? 10%. So, at the end of first operation, you have water 45 and wine 5. Then again 10% is gone. 10% water is taken out. So 45 minus 4.5, how much? 40.5. So it would be 9.5. Yes or no? So this is water to wine. Water to wine. It is asked for find the proportion of wine to water. Wine to water means 9.5 is to 40.5. Thereby the answer is 19 is to 81. It is not 81 is to 19. 19 is to 81. Next, question number 13. Please do answer this. A jar full of whiskey contains 40% alcohol. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another containing 19% alcohol, and now the percentage of alcohol was found to be 26%. The quantity of whiskey replaced is how much? Find the answer. So already you might have studied allegation. In allegation rule C, in mixture and allegations, you have a rule. If a cheaper and dearer are mixed to produce a mixture at mean cost, the ratio would be D minus M is to M minus C. Okay? The ratio of quantities would be D minus M is to M minus C. When a cheaper and dearer are mixed to produce a mixture at mean cost, then the ratio of their quantities in which they are mixed is D minus M is to M minus C. Now cheaper is which one? 19. Dearer is which one? 40. These two are mixed to produce a mixture at 26. So in what ratio they are mixed? In what ratio they are mixed? 40 minus 20. Am I correct? 40 minus 26 na? 40 minus 26. 40 minus 26. How much? 14. 26 minus 19. 7. So 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1 is the ratio in which the cheaper and dearer is mixed. So if cheaper is 2/3, dearer is 1/3. Yes or no? Total 3 parts. In that cheaper is 2/3. This 19% alcohol is 2/3 and 40% alcohol is 1/3. Like that they are mixed. So now what is the question asked? The quantity of whiskey replaced. Which is replaced? 19% alcohol. Yes or no? So what is the answer? 2/3. 2/3 is the answer. Option B. A part of this whiskey is replaced by another quantity, 19% alcohol. You need to find out the quantity of whiskey replaced. So you need to find out that 19% how much quantity is there. 19% how much is there? 2/3 is there or not? Based on this rule. Based on this rule. Allegation rule. It is useful for entire arithmetic. Is it clear? Yes. Right. Now do answer next one. Question number 14. The average age of boys in the class is 16.66, while the average age of girls is 18.75. Thus, the average of all the 40 students in the class is 17.5. If the difference between number of boys and girls is 8, then find number of girls. Find number of girls. Please find the answer. So here also can I apply average or not? Allegation or not? Observe here. So the average age of boys is 16.66. The average age of girls is 18.75. When girls and boys are mixed, the total strength comes. So mixture. So the cheaper is 16.66. Dearer is 18.75. When it is mixed, you got the mean. How much? Middle value 17.5. Am I correct or not? So what is the ratio of boys and girls? So it would be 18.75 minus 17.5 is to 17.5 minus 16.66. So what is the value you are going to get? It is 1.25. Am I correct or not? It is 1.25. It is 17.5 minus 16.66. So what is the value you are going to get? 0.833. Yes or no? Am I correct or not? So now what I am going to get? 1.25 is 2.833. So it is given that if the difference between the number of boys and girls is 8, then find number of girls. Number of girls. 1.25 is to 0.833. What I can do? If I multiply this with C, I am multiplying this with 12. 0.833 multiplied with 12. Understand? Why I am multiplying? Why I am multiplying? To remove this decimals. 0.833 into 12. 1.25 into 12. Will the ratio change? No, because the ratio multiplied with same values. 1.25 into 12 is 15. 0.833 into 12 is how much? Tell me. 12 into 0.833, how
10.
much?
10,
It is 1. How much? 1 or 10?
10,
Is it
10.
1 or 10? Tell
10.
me.
10, 10.
It is 10. It is 10. So what is the ratio here? 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. Now it is given the difference between boys and girls. How much? 1 part or not? 3 parts boys are there. 2 parts girls are there. So difference is 1 part. That 1 part is given as 8. Number of girls. Number of girls are how many parts? 2 parts. So 2 parts should be 16. So answer is 16. Answer is 16. Okay. If this is not the procedure, if you want to do traditionally, then see N1 person's average age A1, N2 person's average A2, then the average of all the observations is combined average. N1 A1 plus N2 A2 by N1 plus N2. This combined average is given as 17.5. Okay. And N1, there are boys, number of boys you don't know. Their average is 16.66. Number of girls you don't know. Their average is 18.75. Divided by number of boys plus number of girls, B plus G, is equal to 17.5. You have to simplify this. Is it a big headache or not? Dealing more with the decimals. Dealing more with the, so here you will get one equation in B and G, and the other equation you already have. The difference between the boys and girls is how much? 8. So here you have to write B minus G as 8. Whether it is B minus G or G minus B, you don't know. Yes or no? That's the reason I'm going in this way. It is easy. It is easy. Simply the ratio you will get. Okay. So the 3 parts boys, 2 parts girls, difference 1 part. That 1 part is given as 8. You require girls 2 parts. The answer is 16. Answer is 16. I don't recommend this procedure because it takes time. Done. Now please do next one. Next one. The average age of students is 6 years and the average age of 12 teachers is 40 years. If the average age of the combined group of all the teachers and students is 7 years, number of students, can we apply the same rule or not? Yes or no? See here, number of students are yes. Okay. And number of teachers 12. And students average how much? 6. And what about the teachers average? 40. When these are mixed, the overall average comes out to be 7. So what is the ratio of number of students to number of teachers? 40 minus 7, 33. 7 minus 6, 1. If number of teachers are 1, number of students are how much? 33. But this 1 is already given as 12. 1 is given as how much? 12 or not? There are 12 teachers. If 1 is 12, then 33 would be how much? 33 into 12, which is 396. 300 हो गया नहीं? हो जाएगा. Traditional method, same thing, the same story. The average of students number you don't know. So N1 into A1 plus N2 into A2 by N1 plus N2 is equal to 7. So 7 into S, 7S minus 6x. 7S minus 6S is equal to S. 7 into 12 is 84. 84. 12 into 40 is 480. 480 minus 84 is 396. Number of students is 396. Okay? Yes or no? Now next. Please answer this one. 16th one. An article is listed at 65 rupees. A customer bought this article for 56.16 rupees and got 2 successive discounts, of which the first one is 10%. Find the other rate of this discount. It's an easy question. 65 का जो MRP था, 2 discounts के बाद finally it is available at what price? 56.16. 65 is the MRP. Finally, it is sold at 56.16. It is the meaning. Yes or no? Now, the first discount is how much? One discount is 10%. So, on 65, 10% is 6.5 reduction. So, its value would be how much? 58.5. Am I correct or not? 65 minus 6.5 is 58.5. Now, on 58.5, something is reduced to become 56.16. So, what happened? Then write 59.5. It is wrong. 58.5. How much you get? It is 58.5. Okay. Now 58.5 becomes how much? 56.16. So how much reduction? 58.5 becomes 56.16. So reduction of 2.34. Reduction of this 2.34 reduction is on 58.5. It is what percentage of this? It is what percentage of this? Please understand here. 58.5 का 1% कितना? 0.585. 0.585. आपका 2.34 चाहिए. 0.5 जब 1% है तो 4% कितना होगा? 2. जब 0.5 1% है, so simply remember what I am trying to say is you just multiply this. If that kind of calculation is difficult for you, then 2.34 into 100, 234 divided by 58.5, you will get 4. Okay, so answer is 4%. The second rate of discount is on this price. Okay, on 58.5, 2.34 is how much? 4%. So second discount is 4%. Is it okay? Okay. Next. Please answer question number 17. Whoever is in the online, please answer. A's income is 6/1/4% more than B. How much is B's less than that of A? It is easy. 6/1/4. A's income is 6/1/4% more than that of B. 6/1/4% means how much? 1/16. 1/16. So A is 1/6 more than B. What does it mean? If B is 16, A is 17. Yes or no? Yes or no? 1/16 more means if B is 16, A is 1 more means A is 17. Now how much percentage is B less than A. So 16 less than 17 by how much percentage? Difference by base value into 100. So it is how much? 17 5s are 85. 5 15 by 17 percentage. So answer is 5.89 percentage. 5.89 percentage. Is it okay? Now next. A train leaves station X at 5 a.m. and reaches station Y at 9 a.m. Another train travels station Y at 7 a.m. and reaches X at 10:30 a.m. 10:30 a.m. At what time do both the trains cross each other? Please do answer. There are two stations X and Y. Now, this is station X, this is station Y. One train, please see, one train starts from this part and reaches. So how much time is it taking? 4 hours. In 4 hours, it is reaching the place. And train Y started at 7 a.m. and reaching at 10:30. So it is reaching the place in how much time? 3.5 hours. Same distance or not? That same distance what I am taking as 300. I am taking as 300. Not 300, 140. How much? 140. How much? 140. Why 140? Because the distance whatever I am taking should be divisible by both 4 and 3.5. Thereby, I don't get any kind of fractions in calculation of speed. If I take the distance as 140, what is the speed for this train? Speed is equal to distance by time. 140 by 4 would be 35 km per hour. And it is taking 3.5 hours for 140. So 140 by 3.5 is 40. So its speed is 40 km per hour. Yes or no? Now this total distance is how much? 140. And this train started at 5 a.m. But this train started at 7 a.m. Yes or no? So by the time the second train starts, the first train already traveled for 2 hours. Yes or no? Yes or no? The first train already traveled for 2 hours. So with a speed of 35, in 2 hours, it can cover 70. Yes or no? Now this train is here. The first train is here at 7 a.m. Now second train started. Second train started at 7 a.m. from Y. Now how much time it will take for both of these to meet? How much time it will take? Time is equal to distance by speed. Here distance means relative distance. So here how much more distance is there? 70. And what is the relative speed? Both are moving in the opposite directions. So you will add the speeds. 35 plus 40. Relative speed. So 70 by 75. 70 by 75. Are you following or not? 70 by 75. 70 by 75 means what? 70 by 75. So 70 by 75 hours it will take. 70 by 75 hours it will take from 7 a.m. From 70 by 75 hours means what? 70 by 75 hour means 60 minutes. Yes or no? So now 15, how much? 15 5s are, 15 4s are, 5 14s are, 14 4s are how much? 56 minutes. So after 7, it takes 56 minutes. So 7 hour 56. 7 hour 56 minutes. 7:56 a.m. So answer is 7:56 a.m. Is it okay? Instead of taking variables as distances, I have taken some value 140. You can take any value 140, any value which is usual by both 35 and both 3.5 and 4. Okay? Is it okay? Next. Please answer this question number 19. An athlete runs to and fro between points A and B at a speed of 10 km per hour. A second athlete simultaneously runs from B to A and back at 15 km per hour. If they cross each other in 12 minutes after the start, so after how much time will they cross each other? Please tell me. Please answer. What? 18 minutes is wrong. Tell me. An athlete runs to and fro between 2 points A and B. Okay, so see here. This is a point A, this is a point B. Okay. An athlete runs to and fro between 2 points A and B at a speed of 10 km per hour. Okay. A second athlete simultaneously runs from B to A at a speed of 15 km per hour. 15 km per hour. If they cross each other 12 minutes after they start. After how much time will they cross each other? Tell me. What is the answer, Amrut? Anyone in the online? Reply. What is the answer? Anyone in the online? Anyone in the online is able to reply or not? 24 minutes. Tell me how 24?
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes. Reply. How 24?
Am I audible? Am I audible?
Dhruva, tell me what is the answer? 24. Why? Please see here. Let me explain. See here, an athlete runs to and fro between points A and B at a speed of 10 km per hour. A second athlete simultaneously runs from B to A and back at a speed of what? So please see here, an athlete runs to and fro between points A and B at a speed of 10 km per hour. A second athlete simultaneously runs from a point B to A and back at a speed of 15 km per hour. If they cross each other 12 minutes after they start, after how much time will they cross each other? Will they cross each other? So what is the first understanding here? What is the first understanding here? What is the ratio of speeds? What is the ratio of speeds here? 10, the other is 15. So 2:3. 2:3. 2:3 is the ratio of speeds. Ratio of speeds. So what is the ratio of times taken? 3:2. Because speed and time are inversely proportional. Because they are traveling same distance or not? Yes or no? They are traveling same distance or not? A to B. Yes or no? So here the times taken is 3:2. Now please understand, if they cross each other 12 minutes after they start. So if one part is 12, then here 3 parts should be how much? 36. 36 is the answer. The answer is 36 minutes. 36 minutes is the answer. Okay. Now please see next question. Question number 20. It is a important model for exam. Please see. X power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 minus z power 1 by 3 is equal to 0. What does it mean? A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Remember, there is a note point. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to 3ABC. Is equal to how much? 3ABC. If A plus B plus C is equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is equal to how much? 3ABC. 3ABC. Now please observe here, x cube plus y cube is equal to z power 1 by 3. X power 1 by 3 plus y power 1 by 3 is how much? Z power 1 by 3. Now please observe here. Observe here. If I am taking x power 1 by 3 as A, y power 1 by 3 as B, minus z power 1 by 3 as C. It is A, it is B, minus z power 1 by 3 is C. Okay? Then A cube, x power 1 by 3 whole cube, plus B cube, y power 1 by 3 whole cube, plus C cube, minus z power 1 by 3, minus z power 1 by 3 whole cube is equal to 3 into x power 1 by 3 into y power 1 by 3 into z power 1 by 3. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So what it would be? X plus y minus z. Yes or no? X plus y minus z is equal to this much. How much? 3 into x power 1 by 3, y power 1 by 3, z power 1 by 3. Now I am cubing on both sides. Cubing on both sides. What I am going to get? X plus y minus z whole cube. This is a minus, na? This is minus. This is minus. A, B, C is minus. So minus, which is equal to minus 3 cube is minus 27. Minus 27 xyz. Yes or no? When this minus comes this side, x plus y minus z whole cube plus 27 xyz is equal to how much? 0. So answer is 0. Answer is 0. 0 is the answer. This is the note point. If a plus b plus c is 0, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is 3abc. According to this, a is x power 1 by 3, b is y power 1 by 3, and c is minus z power 1 by 3. Okay. Now next, question number 21. 21. Tell me. Colonel took 6,800 rupees as a loan, which along with interest is to be repaid in 2 equal annual installments. If the rate of interest is 12.5% compound annually, in the value of each installment. In case of installment through compound interest, remember here the formula P, the loan amount, is equal to x by how many installments here? 2 installment. Each installment is x. But x by 1 plus r by 100 plus x by 1 plus r by 100 whole square. If 3 installments means you will get x by 1 plus r by 100 whole cube. As only 2, you will get x by 1 plus r by 100, x by 1 plus r by 100 whole square. So here rate of interest is how much? 12.5. So what is the principal amount? What is the principal amount? 6,800. X you need to find out. 1 plus 12.5 by 100 means 1 by 8 plus 1 by plus x by 1 plus 1 by 8 whole square. So if you simplify this, I will get 8x by 9 plus 64x by 81. On simplification, again, the LCM is 81. 72 plus 70, 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 64, 136 x. Thereby, now you will get x is equal to 6,800 into 81 by 136. Okay. Now, how many times you are going to get 136? 5 times. 136, 5 times 0. 81 into 5 is 405. So 4050. 4050 is the answer. Next. Question number 22. Please answer this. Please answer this. I am taking C here. A plus 1 by B is equal to how much? A plus 1 by B is equal to how much? 1. I am taking A as 2, B as minus 1. B as minus 1. Is it satisfying or not? 2 plus 1 by minus 1 is 1 or not? Yes or no? I have taken B as minus 1. B as minus 1. So I am taking C as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is how much? 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Satisfied? Yes or no? I am taking A2, B minus 1, C 1 by 2, which is going to satisfy these two. Thereby, I require C plus 1 by A. C is 1 by 2. And A is 1 by, A is 2. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, how much? 1. Is it clear or not? Procedure is again lengthy. Should not bother about it. Is it done? The 23rd. The area of a triangle. The area of a triangle formed by the lines 5x minus 3y plus 15 with the coordinate axis. With the coordinate axis. See, this is the coordinate axis. This is the line. This is the line. So what is this area is asked. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. So this area is how much is the question. So how I can write this? 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 15. Minus, yes or no? I am dividing this by minus 15. So how much I am going to get? It is nothing but x by minus 15 by 3 plus. Okay. Okay. Minus only I am writing. Minus into minus plus now. So what you're going to get? Plus how much? Tell me. Y by 15 by 3. Yes or no? Here 15 by 5 is equal to 1. So x by minus 3 plus y by 5 is equal to 1. Yes or no? Now it is in the form x by a plus y by b. Y by b is equal to 1. Whereas a is the x-intercept, means the graph is like this. You got it is minus 3. What does it mean? The graph is not this side. This is like this. Like, understood or not? What do you understand? X by a plus y by b is equal to 1 is the intercept form. Okay. So this is the what? Y-intercept b. This is the x-intercept a. Here x-intercept a is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3 means it is minus 3. It is 5. Okay. Now you need this area. You need this area. So from here to here, 3 units. From here to here, 5 units. Then the area would be half of AB. Half of 3 into 5. Half of 3 into 5, which is 15 by 2. 15 by 2. Okay. If an equation is in the form of x by a plus y by b, then the area formed with the coordinate axis would be half AB. Okay. It is a right angle triangle or not? It's a right angle triangle, whereas base is 3, height is 5. So half of base into height. Half of base into height is a concept. Now please do answer next one. Question number 24. Please do answer. (24). The value of k for which the lines are parallel. For which the lines are parallel. So please see, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. If it is an equation, what is the slope? Slope of a line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given by minus b by a. Minus b by a. Slope of the line ax plus by plus c is minus b by a. For two lines to be parallel, their slopes must be equal. Slope of first line, slope of second line. If m1 is equal to m2, then we say both the what lines are parallel. Both the lines are parallel. So what is the slope for first one? What is the slope for first one? Minus 2 by 1. Yes or no? Minus b by a. Now what is the slope here? minus 4 by k. So minus minus cancel. So now 2 2s are 4. So k is equal to how much? 2. K is equal to how much? Slopes. If slopes are equal, then two lines are parallel. If product of slopes is -1, then the two lines are perpendicular. The two lines are perpendicular. If two slopes are equal, then the two lines are parallel. If two slopes product is -1, then the two lines are perpendicular. Okay, next. Secant theta plus tan theta is P. Then what is the value of cos theta? Tell me anybody. You already know one property. What is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Yes or no? Trigonometric identity. School में already पढ़े हो 10th class में, 9th class में कब? Secant square theta minus tan sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Similarly, secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Cosecant square theta minus cos square theta is 1. Okay, so here a square minus b square means what? A plus b into a minus b or not? A is secant theta, b is tan theta. So secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. So from this I will get secant theta minus tan theta is equal to how much? 1 by secant theta plus tan theta is already P. Yes or no? So now you already have secant theta plus tan theta as P, and you got secant theta minus tan theta as 1 by P. I am adding these two. If I add these two, what I get? 2 secant theta is equal to P plus 1 by P. Yes or no? Secant theta means 1 by cos theta. 2 by cos theta is P square plus 1 by P. So from this, what you will get? Cos theta. Cos theta. Cos theta is equal to how much? 2p divided by p square plus 1. So answer is 2p divided by p square plus 1. P square plus. Okay. Next. Is it clear? Done? Now please do next one. Question number 26. Please answer this one. Tan A plus sin A is equal to P. Tan A minus sin A is equal to Q. Then which of the following is correct? Intelligence can answer in less than 30 seconds. What is the answer? Quick. See here. Please see here. Please see here. Tan A plus sin A is equal to how much? P. I am taking some A as 45 degrees. How much? Can I take A as 45? Okay. If I take A as 45, tan 45 how much? You should know it. Then only get. Tan 45 is 1. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. 1 plus 1 by root 2 would be P. Okay. Are you following or not? It is nothing but root 2 plus 1 by root 2. Yes or no? Yes. Yes or no? Now, what is Q? 1 minus 1 by root 2. 1 minus 1 by root 2. Which is root 2 minus 1 by root 2. Okay. Now, which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? P square plus Q square. If you add these two, See the first option. First option. P square how much? P square how much? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 root 2. Am I correct or not? Divide by 2 is P square. And what is Q square? Q square 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus
3
2
minus
root
2 root 2
divided by
2.
2 is Q. So P square plus Q square. P square plus Q square will give you how much? 3 plus 3. 6 by 2.
6 by 2
means 3.
3.
But what is root PQ? What is PQ? Tell me. PQ is how much? If you multiply these two, root 2 plus 1 into root 2 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, 1. Root 2 into root 2, 2. So you will get 1 by 2. PQ is 1 by 2. So square root of PQ. So square root of 1 by 2. So now please understand what is P square minus Q square. Please try to do. Please try to do and tell me. P square minus Q square how much? P square means this one. Q square means this one. So 3 and 3 will get cancelled. So 2 plus 2, 4 root 2. 4 root 2 divided by 2. So what is remaining? 2 root 2. And if you see 4 root PQ. 4 root PQ. 4 into what is root PQ? Root PQ means root 1 by 2. Root 1 by 2. Root 1 by 2 means how much? 4 by root 2. 4 by root 2 is how much? 2 root 2. Yes or no? Here 2 root 2. Here 2 root 2. Both values are equal. So P square minus Q square and 4 root PQ both are equal. So option B is correct. Option B is correct. Now please do answer question number 27. Answer. The area of circle whose radius is 6 centimeter is trisected by 3 concentric circles. 3 concentric circles. 2 concentric circles. So the radius of the smallest circle would be dash. The area of the circle whose radius is 6 centimeter is trisected. Trisected. Bisected means becoming equal into 2 parts. Trisected means into 3 parts. Yes or no? By 2 concentric circles. Find the radius of the smallest circle. Please find the answer. Please see here. What do you understand from this? You are not even thinking this is a circle. Okay. The area of circle whose radius is 6 centimeter is trisected by 2 concentric circles. Concentric circles means having same center. Same center. This is one circle. This is the other circle. Now 1, 2, 3. Yes or no? Now what would be the radius of the smallest circle? Smallest circle. So this radius would be 1/3 of this. This particular, see, this is one circle. This is one circle. This is the other circle. Yes or no? Now this area would be 3 times of this. So this area would be 1/3 of this. Yes or no? So if you see this outer circle radius is given how much? 6. So area would be pi r square. 36 pi would be the area of the bigger circle. So smallest area, smallest would be how much? Smallest would be 1/3 of 36 pi. Smallest area, smallest circle area would be 1/3 of this one. So this is how much? 12 pi. 12 pi. 12 pi is equal to 12 pi is equal to pi. This radius is some r1. Some r1. Pi r1 square. Okay. Then what will happen? Pi cancel. R1 square is 12. So R1 is equal to how much? Root 12, which is 2 root 3. 2 root 3. 4 into 3. 4 comes, 4 means square root 4 means 2. 2 root 3. So answer is 2 root 3.
Option A.
Okay.
Option A, sir.
Next. 28th question. Please answer, anyone? Anyone? I'm giving you 1 minute time. PQ and RS are two parallel chords of a circle with center C. With center C such that PQ is equal to 8 centimeters. RS is equal to 16 centimeters. If the chords are on the same side of the center and the distance between them is 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, then find the radius of the circle. Find the answer. Find the radius of circle. Is it over? First, you have to draw the diagram what you understood. Thereby, you will get the idea. PQ and RS are two parallel chords of a circle with center C such that PQ is equal. So there is a circle. There is a circle with center C. With center C. And PQ is equal to 8 centimeter. RS is equal to 16 centimeter. So this is some PQ. This is some RS. Okay. This is some PQ. This is some RS. Okay. These two are chords. Okay. Now, from center, if I draw a line here like this, it will bisect or not? It will bisect these two chords. So means if this total is 8, this is 4, this is 4. If this total is 16, it is 8, it is 8. Yes or no? Now, what is asked finally? If the chords are on the same side of center and the distance between them is how much? 4. So this chord and this chord, the distance between them is this one. This one is given as 4. Okay. Now, what is the radius? What is the radius? Radius means from center onto circumference. This is called radius, or this is called radius. Yes or no? So this radius I am taking as R. I am taking as R. And from center to this point, I don't know what is the distance. I am taking it as X. This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. If you observe here, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Yes or no? Is this a right angle triangle or not? Here, if you see, R square is equal to X square plus this is 8. X square plus 8 square. Yes or no? And we have one more right angle triangle here. What is that? One more right angle triangle is this one. This is one more right angle triangle. If you observe here, this is one more right angle triangle. This is also radius or not? This is also radius. From center to point on circumference. Radius. So R square is equal to Pythagoras theorem. R square is equal to how much is this? 4 square plus this is 4 plus X square. Yes or no? So now you have to equate these two. X square plus 64 is equal to 16 plus 4 plus X whole square. Get the value of X. Get the value of X. So X square plus 64 is equal to 16 plus 4 square plus 8X plus X square. X square minus X square 0. Now 8X is equal to 64 minus 32, 32. So X is equal to 4. You got the value of X. So you need the radius of circle. Radius is how much? Radius is equal to square root of X square plus 8 square. Yes or no? So from this you will get X is already 4. 4 square is 16. 8 square is 64. So 64 plus 16, 80. Root 80. Root 80 means root 16 into 5. Thereby 4 root 5. 4 root 5 is the answer. Answer is 4 root 5. Answer is 4 root 5. As we are doing for both MBA and MCA, I have given these questions because they also have mathematics oriented questions, MCA people. Now please do answer 29th question. If 29th question, if ABCD is a parallelogram, E and F are the centroids of triangle ABC and BCD respectively, then EF is equal to how much? You should try. First of all, you have to draw the triangle figure. ABCD is a parallelogram. So there is a parallelogram. There is a parallelogram like this, ABCD. There is a parallelogram. I am taking ABCD is a parallelogram. Okay. And this is one diagonal. And this is the other diagonal. And what is given? E and F are the centroids of triangle ABC. See, triangle ABC. This is a triangle. Okay. And E and F are the centroids. Are the centroids of triangle ABC and BCD. And BCD. So what you are going to get? So you are going to get somewhere like this. E and F. Yes or no? Now, please observe. Please observe here. Then what is the length of EF? What is the length of EF? This EF length would be how much? What is the answer? This is E, let us say. This is F, let us say. What is the length of EF? So see what a centroid does. A centroid divides the median. A centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. 2:1 from the vertex. Are you following or not? A centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1 from the vertex. So if you see here, I can see AE by EO. AE by EO is how much? 2:1. Are you following or not? This is the what? Centroid. Centroid divides the median in the ratio 2:1. It is two parts. It is one part. Similarly, what is here? CF. Tell me. CF divided by OF is also 2:1. 2:1. Now please verify. Please just apply your knowledge and answer. You need the value of EF. EF means what? EO plus OF. So what it would be? EO plus OF. What it would be? You can say AE by EO is equal to CF by OF is equal to how much? How much? 1:2. 1:2. So if you observe here, if CF is some X, please do, man. Without doing, if you just focus, what will you get? You have to try. Without trying, just you're looking and staring. So what is the answer? If AE is equal to is 2:1, na? 2:1. If this is two parts, this is one part. Now the question is, what is EF? What is EF? EF is nothing but 2x. EF is nothing but 2x. So what is going to be 2x here? AE would be half of EF, which is CF. So EF would be how much? What is the value? Tell me. EF will be equal to how much? EF would be equal to AE. This is AE, CF. These are all 2x. So this EF would be equal to AE or CF. AE or CF. This distance is nothing but, see, this is two parts, man. This is two parts. This is one part. This is two parts. This is one part. So this sum would be how many parts? Two parts or not? So this is two parts means two parts is either AE or CF. Which option you have? You have AE. You have AE. So answer is AE. The answer can be AE or CF. Now please answer one more. The last question for today. 30th question, please do answer. You have to think and you have to reply. If the angle of elevation of the sun changes from 30 degrees to 45 degrees, the length of the shadow of a pillar decreases by 20 meters. The height of the pillar is how much? So there is a pillar like this. Okay. Initially, the angle of elevation is how much? 30 degrees. Initially, how much? 30 degrees. Then it becomes how much? 45 degrees. Yes or no? Now, what is given? The length of the shadow decreased by 20 meters. Decreased by. So from here to here, the shadow has come. So this reduction is 20. Then the height of the pillar is how much? Is the question. Find the answer. If it is some x, when I apply tan 45, tan theta formula what? Opposite side by adjacent side, h by x. So I can say h is equal to x into 1x. Now apply tan 30. If you apply tan 30 means this triangle. Tan 30 means it is h by x plus 20. Tan 30 is how much? 1 by root 3. Yes or no? 1 by root 3. So now how much you're going to get? How much you're going to get? So 1 by root 3 is equal to h by x plus 20. Yes or no? Now h is equal to how much? H is equal to x plus 20. X plus 20 by root 3. H is equal to x plus 20 by root 3. And here h is equal to how much? X. Both these are equal. Both these are equal. So find the value of x. What you are going to get? Please find and tell me. Find and tell me. So what I am going to get here? X into root 3 minus 1 is equal to 20. Am I correct or not? So I will get x is equal to 20 by root 3 minus 1. If I do what? Rationalization, root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is 3 minus 1, 2. So you will get 10 into root 3 plus 1. 10 into root 3 plus 1. So option D is the answer. Option D is the answer. Like that, I have given more 20 questions. You please do all these questions. Okay. Right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best for your exam. Wish you all the very best.